Hi, I'm Mari Jakobsona from Latvian ICT Association LICTA. LICTA is a coordinator of National Digital Skills Coalition in Latvia since 2013. When we established our national coalition, the primary goal was to better coordinate the activities of different digital skills stakeholders. Currently, our coalition joins several sector ministries, state agencies, as well as ICT sector businesses and NGOs, public library network, and different academia and NGO representatives. We work together for three levels. First of all, this is the policy and strategy level. We have designed together the main policy documents for Latvia addressing digital skills, like digital transformation guidelines, education guidelines, industry policy guidelines, and cybersecurity strategy. Secondly, we make sure that digital skills development in Latvia has enough financial support for upskilling and reskilling specialists, teachers and students, workforce and SME, and also the general public. And thirdly, we run annual large-scale national campaigns about digital skills, including All Digital Week in Latvia, Smart Latvia campaign, Women in ICT, and other initiatives. Since 2020, we are part of the European Digital Skills and Jobs platform. This is a great opportunity for us not only learn what is new in digital skills area in Europe and contribute with national content, it is also a possibility to know and work together with other national digital skills coalition from the member states. Together we create initiatives which will support achievement of the digital decade goals for Europe.